Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage highlight colors in the Speak selection on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or with which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, then we want to go to the spoken content. Once you're here, if you have the Speak selection option on and what it does, how it works, we have another video on our channel about that. You have this option called highlight contents. Let's click this on. We can turn this on or off. If we do not turn it off while speaking, the content won't be highlighted. If we turn this feature on, it is going to be highlighted. Here we do have options to words, sentences, and words sentences. Words means only the word that now is spoken is going to be highlighted. Sentences the same, but with the whole sentence, not with just the words. Words and sentences, it means that the whole sentence is going to be highlighted, and also the words are going to be highlighted in the other color. So as you can see, there are some highlighted color options, as you can see right now, if we just manage through those settings. So you have sentence highlight state, we have background color or underline, as you can see, and here we can check with the highlight colors. So the word color you can set default. I'm gonna say maybe purple or pink. Pink is nice. And the sentence color I'm going to choose, let's say yellow, for example. And now if we do have open some text, then select the text and then speak. As you can see, as you could see, we have those colors highlighted, the sentences and words. So this is it. This is the highlight content options on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!